Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with REMAX up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 1009 Myrtle Avenue over in Big Bear City. This one is such a treat. It is so unassuming, all the interesting things that you're going to find with this house, so come check it out. Okay, so here we are at 1009 Myrtle, and we are right about here at a stop sign. That's North Shore right there where the cars are going. And then at the very end of the street is all gonna be National Forest off of Pioneer. So great location. Down this way, you'll hit the airport. You've got a little bit of ski slope views from here as well. A lot of people that live here full time, but also a lot of rentals too. So check out this beautiful park-like setting. Nicely landscaped. You will not believe all the treasures that you are going to see on this house. So we've got it fully fenced, chain link fence all the way around. Over here you do have the lot line right here where the fence is. And then so we're gonna start with kind of the driveway. So most of the parking's here. You've also got the approach right here that you could park at as well. But you can get your car in through the gate right here. So this is gonna lead to the garage, but I'm gonna show you that last. But for right now, check out all the different plants that are well taken care of on the land too. It just provides really nice privacy right here from any neighbors. Also nice trees that once you're looking out, you can kind of see from the window. One thing while we're here is to look at the roof. The roof, like pretty much brand new looking. Really, really good shape. I mean, just everything is so well cared for. We do have concrete foundation here. And it is log siding. And then the original year of the house, this seems like it was added afterwards, but that's a very beautiful stonework on the house too. Really good shape. So here you've also got, another area where you could drive in and park. A nice little outdoor section right here. This is composite decking right here with a nice pergola. A little sunshade right here to sit at. Then you've got a privacy fence. And here is, so this is gonna be the main part of the house. And you will see what I mean by main afterwards. So one thing to note, we do have gutters here, kind of rare in Big Bear. You don't see them everywhere. And then we've got this great little covered porch to set up. So let's go inside. And here we are. There's almost like two living rooms, or a den and a living room. But so we enter into the house. Most of the house is going to be this way, but we're entering into, let's call it the den. So we've got this nice credenza right here. Then likely the furnace or the water heater's in here. I'm going to leave it locked though. But so there used to be big couches in here, but the seller is moving. So some of the furniture is now gone from the listing photos that you've seen in the past. But it's still a very spacious area that you could fit a big wraparound couch in here, some cozy furniture, whatever you would like. And what I love about it is the wood ceiling, just really pretty, very cabin-like. And then we've got our brick fireplace. And this brick fireplace does have a gas starter. So we've got a gas starter, and this one is going to be where you can basically put the logs in there. And then what I like to do is burn a paper towel and light the gas, throw it in there, light the fire, and let it burn until it really catches fire, and then take off. Let it burn naturally from there. So one thing to note, we've got some like of the original windows that are really kind of cute and charming, but most of the house has dual pane windows. So you've got dual right here, you've got dual right here, but they kept the charming front windows right here. So we're gonna go here and walk towards the kitchen. So got a nice bar right here. Coffee bar, liquor bar, whatever you want to call it, but good storage throughout the kitchen too. So this has been a primary home for many, many years. Loved on, as you can see, very well. I like that look on the cabinets. It's got kind of like a dark brown and a gray in there. And then we've got some nice tile in the kitchen, just very mountainy. The colors are all, they blend really well. You've got upgraded appliances. And what I love is this exposed kind of plumbing turned into kitchenware. So here we've got the fridge, but we've also got space into the attic. So if you ever wanted to, it sounds like there's a room up there that you could add on to it. And possibly convert to a third bedroom in the main house. So nice countertop. And then here we're going to go into the office / bedroom 1. We just got a twin bed in here, linoleum flooring, very cute furniture too. And of course, dual pane windows here too, with the wood framing on it as well, which is a nice touch. And this is just more used as like a guest room and a office. So here we have the closet. I like these closet doors. They're nicer than normal. And then we're going to transition from the kitchen and den over to the dining room, living room. So we're going to transition into carpet, but then once we step into the bathroom, it is the same laminate flooring too. So here you have kind of like a breakfast bar that you could sit at, have some coffee. Just a good space for a catch-all. And then dining room that seats 6. I love these beautiful lamps too. All the lighting in here is just gorgeous. Kind of Edison bulbs. And then check out the framing on the doorway. It's just perfection and like a craftsman feel to it. So here we have bathroom number 1, 2. Super clean granite countertops. This seems like a piece that was brought in the cabinet. Again, that exposed plumbing right here. We have the shower, super clean. And the laundry room too. So laundry room with storage. And, you know, you can kind of fit some brooms and stuff over here. And one thing to point out too, we do have the recessed lighting too. So here we have the living room. Check out that beautiful couch. Like, wow. Just gorgeous. So this is where your living room would be. And most, I think the front one's, you know, kind of like good for fireplace, but I don't think there's a TV up here, but like watching TV, good area back here for that if you were going to use this as a vacation rental, you could probably put like a pool table back here and leave that as a living room too. So just a thought. Options. And then it appears that we have speakers, so like a surround sound, but don't quote me on that. And then this is going to be our master bedroom. So central heating, and then no air conditioner, which is pretty typical of Big Bear. But check out how these are done. It's so cute. So this is a queen bed. I mean, look how beautiful that is. Everything is just perfectly situated, loved on, no deferred maintenance. I love this barn door too. So this is taking you into the master bathroom. So again, the same flooring in this bathroom as in the other bathroom and the kitchen. So we walk in, we've got, oh, look how fun that is. It's really neat. Same thing, granite countertops. And then this is the closet. So owner still lives here, out of town right now, but good closet space. Okay. So now I have 2 more treats for you. So we've got some French doors that lead outside right here. And just beautiful concrete work all throughout this area too. Okay, so this is going to be treat number 1. So very unassuming, but look how big of a mother-in-law quarters this is. You have everything, just like a full kitchen. This is not a mini kitchen. This is a full kitchen. Full-size stove, like this quartz countertop. Again, wood framing, dual pane windows, double sink. Lots of storage in this kitchen too. Hello? That's the neighbor. Checking. Okay, so here we have the main living room for the mother-in-law's quarters. And it's pretty much the same wood that was used inside the main home. But this is just a great spot for if you have like kids, parents, you know, and they need somewhere to stay, like having them on site on your property is amazing. Or you could rent one, you could live in the other one. You've got numerous options here. We do have a furnace in here, wall heater. And so here we've got the desk, little storage area and TV. And then it goes, so you go dining room right here. You go into the main bedroom, and again, we have barn door. How cute is that? And vaulted ceilings. I didn't notice that in the other room for you. So you do have vaulted ceilings in both rooms. And I like that they take 2 different angles too. Just lots of character. So here we have the main bedroom. This is queen bed. And then we have the master bathroom. Look how clean this is. Yeah, I mean, you're getting 2 houses for 1. This is great. And then this is tile. Nice shampoo box with the hexagon pattern. Just beautiful. And then we're gonna go into, we've got a closet here. I think it's got like a sensor. Yep. What a great walk-in closet. Okay, so next I'm going to take you to treat 2. Could be treat 3 because we already saw another treat on the main house. And over here, got like a nice little garden area back here. Super cute. Good privacy from neighbors. Grill out here and another shaded area. I mean, because really, you know, the main house has their area for sitting outside, and then this one has its own as well. Firewood storage area. And this is going to be treat number 3. So this is the barn door, but it's locked. I did not unlock it, but you get the point on how a barn door works. So we're just going to go in this main part right here. Check it out. RV garage. I mean, these slabs are, I think, if I had to lay down, I would probably hit around here. And then this is, so they're probably 7 feet. So if I had to guess, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7. 6 and 6 is 36. I think it's 42. Probably 42-foot garage. But they could be bigger. These could be, I'm actually curious now. I'm gonna lay down. Yeah, that's about right. It's about 1.5 feet taller than me. But see, you've got, I mean, you could have barn weddings in here. You could have an RV in here. I think probably about what I said, like 40, 45 feet is about right. Because I used to have a 26-foot motorhome, and I'd imagine, might have been 23, you could probably get 2 of them in here. You might even be able to get 4 of them in here if you are really good at parking. But nice workshop area. This is the barn door. Costco. Just perfection. And you could also do, what do you call it? Like bikes, kayaks, things like that. You could probably also rent this space out to people. I know there's some people that would like to be able to store a boat or be able to store RV storage. So, I mean, just tons of opportunity that you could do with this home. So that is the water heater right here because it's vented and plumbed inside. So what we saw was probably the furnace, and this is probably the water heater. So there you have it, 1009 Myrtle Avenue. Great neighborhood, about, I would say, 5-minute drive to the grocery stores, about an 8-minute drive to the ski slopes, maybe about another 9 minutes to the village, but real quiet neighborhood. So this one, 3-bed, 3-bath, RV garage, 2 units, just getting on the market for $750,000. Let me know if you or somebody that you know would like to take a look. I will be here. Bye.